This tool is perfect for that moment when you are doing an MBA or business degree, and you need a research topic that sounds professional, practical, and not like you invented it 5 minutes before class. In this video, I'll show you how to use cited evidence to create a complete business research proposal from start to finish. Before we begin, subscribe if you want more tutorials on proposal writing, thesis preparation, literature reviews, and academic research workflows. First, go to Google and search for cited evidence. Open the official website. Now create an account, or log in if you already have one. Once you're logged in, try this with your own business topic too. I'll put the link in the description so you can open cited evidence and follow the same process step by step. Now from the dashboard, open the Research Agent. For this example, I'm going to use the topic, Impact of Customer Service Quality on Customer Loyalty in Small Restaurants. This topic is practical because many business students need research ideas connected to real businesses, customer experience, service quality, satisfaction, and loyalty. Once I submit it, the research agent begins creating the proposal. It builds the academic structure, searches relevant sources, adds citations, and organizes everything into proposal sections. Now the proposal is being generated. It creates the title page, abstract, introduction, literature review, problem statement, research questions, objectives, methodology, conclusion, and references. Now I'll open the completed document. The title page is ready. The abstract gives a quick summary of the study, including customer service quality, customer loyalty, and small restaurants as the business setting. Now I'll open the introduction. This section explains why customer service matters, especially for small restaurants where repeat customers can make a huge difference. It introduces service quality as a factor that may influence whether customers return, recommend the restaurant, or choose competitors. Next, I'll open the literature review. Here, the tool organizes previous studies around customer satisfaction, service experience, loyalty, word of mouth, business reputation, and customer retention. This is useful because business proposals need to connect theory with real-world business problems. Now I'll open the problem statement. This section explains why the study is needed. For example, small restaurants may focus on food quality, but customer service can also strongly influence loyalty. If service is poor, even good food may not be enough to keep customers coming back. Painful, but true. Next, let's open the research questions. These questions may focus on whether service quality influences customer loyalty and which aspects of service quality are most important. Now, I'll open the objectives. The general objective explains the main purpose of the study. The specific objectives may include assessing customer service quality, measuring customer loyalty, and examining the relationship between both. Now let's open the methodology. For this topic, the tool may suggest a quantitative survey-based design, customers of small restaurants as participants, questionnaire-based data collection, and statistical analysis to examine the relationship between service quality and loyalty. If I want to refine it, I can ask the research agent to add a conceptual framework. Make this suitable for an MBA proposal. Expand the literature review. Or add recent business research references. Now I'll open the Reference Manager. This helps keep all the sources organized so I can review the citations and continue editing properly. Once the proposal looks good, I can export it and polish it according to my academic requirements. So if you need a business research proposal that actually sounds useful and realistic, this is how Cited Evidence helps you build it from start to finish.